Hi guys, so I got my package today, and I actually film when I open like the actual package, but my camera died and I haven't opened it yet. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I ordered the things that I've been wanting for quite a long time, and I finally found the one that sells cheaper. Oops, I got freebies. I actually ordered from Instagram, so it comes with freebies, which is pretty cool. They gave me EXO Nature Republic promo cards. This is pretty cool. It's really small and really thin, but it's not official, obviously. So first they gave me OT12, XOM, XOK, and more XOM. Thank you so much. I don't really usually get freebies when I buy stuff from Instagram, but this seller gave you freebies, which is good. So this is the thing that I've been wanting for so long. So I finally got it. It's the Nature Republic catalog. Check it out. Oh my god. So it comes with the envelope, which is really nice, so I can keep it safe. So this is the catalog. Let me show you quickly. It's just white and the bag just like this. So it's the first one, and like the map, I don't know. Oh my god. 12. But the sad thing is Kim-soo is on the crease there. I'm really sad, but that's okay. This picture is gorgeous. I love it. This journey to nature, and I think they're gonna came up with new catalog. I don't know, because I just finished watching their other Nature Republic photo shoot, the new one. Oh my god, I hope they came out with new catalog. Yes, I would totally buy it. So nice, the pictures and the paper quality is really nice. And I am in love with all the pictures. And I think you guys already saw a lot of unboxing about this catalog, but I got mine late because most of them sell for quite expensive. And I also really like the calendar, but I didn't get it. I got the catalog because I like the catalog better. Here's Kai. The camera is really pretty. And then Suho. And then the OT12, like the close-up shot. Oh my god. And I'm so happy Kim-soo is not in the case there. You can see him. This picture is gorgeous. Oh my god. And then here's XOM, Luhan, Seomin. Oh, Chuhan. Lay, cute Lay. He's getting cuter. Oh my god. Like the comeback. Chris. Tao. Chen. Oh my god, more Juhan. If there's Juhan, I just noticed if there's Juhan, there's always Chen at their side, you know. Let me show you, like this. It looks like he's been left out. They're enjoying their moment together, and there's Chen enjoying himself. Oh my god, Chen is so cute. And then the, behind the scene, and there, it's not really black and white, it's like brown. So this is pretty cool. There's the back. So yeah, this is it. I bought it from Instagram, and yeah, thank you for watching. There will be more unboxing soon because I ordered 2 albums and they're gonna come soon. I ordered my EXO Overdose and Jejung albums, so they'll be coming soon, and I will sure to make an unboxing because I love making videos. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.